Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a Field Central user would use the Advanced Mapping feature to determine area square footage, linear line length, or quantities. We will also cover how these measurements would be leveraged to produce an estimate via an existing price matrix. Advanced Mapping allows users to effortlessly take key measurements using a satellite map to better calculate the scope of work needed depending on the service for a property. In turn, the user is able to take these measurements to provide an accurate estimate to the property for the requested services. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Sales and Estimates page via the main menu. Then select Estimates and Opportunities. Search for the desired property using the filter fields on the left-hand side of the page. Then select View Estimate via the appropriate icon. This will bring you to Edit Estimate, where you will navigate to the Property tab on the left-hand side. Here you will see the property from the satellite map view and the bold area measurement, which is tied to the lawn square footage UDF that informs our price matrix. To measure the area for mowing, click the blue Advanced Mapping button above the satellite view. This will bring you to the Advanced Mapping page. On the left-hand side, the user will see the property information in addition to the UDFs that can be calculated from this view. You will also see several buttons within the map that can be used to calculate the desired measurements. For this video, we will be using the Polygon tool to capture the square footage of the property to calculate the price and time to mow this property. This will inform values on our estimate downstream. To begin, click the plus button within the lawn square footage card and then click to add/save the subsection. Select the polygon icon, which allows you to begin measuring the property by selecting points on the map. On the third point, double-click to close the polygon. The measurement will be displayed in the bottom center of the map and on the left-hand panel. You will see the warning icons that the measurement has been calculated, but it is not yet saved. In order to save, click the red Save icon on the bottom center of the map. If measuring more than one subsection, each subsection will need to be saved before moving on to the next in order to not lose the information calculated. Once the Save button is clicked, the red warning messages will disappear, confirming that the measurement has been saved. Navigate back to Edit Estimate, and under the Property tab, click the refresh icon just to the right of the measurement. You will be prompted to confirm you want to update, and then you will refresh your web browser for all updates to be pulled through. Once the measurement and web browser have both been refreshed, navigate to the Work to Do tab to see the relevant work with the updated price and man hours based on the calculation between price matrix and the polygon measurement. To edit the measurement and override with a manual calculation, navigate back to the Property tab and utilize the Edit icon and enter a measurement manually. The original polygon measurement will be crossed out and the manual entry will become the measurement in which the estimate was calculated from. To manually edit the price or man hours, navigate back to the Work to Do's tab and manually enter input values into relevant fields. Advanced Mapping takes the guesswork out of estimating, allowing more accurate estimates faster and without spending the windshield time on a visit. Used in conjunction with Price Matrix, estimates can be quickly calculated and distributed. More estimates, more quickly, more accurate.